Hey, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? YouTube, how's everybody doing? Well, I finally got out all of my Zippos, and I'm going to do this open tag as quickly as possible. Um, this was started by Boston Blade Reviews, Kevin, and well, I want to do my Zippo collection. This is all my Zippos except for a couple. There's a couple stragglers that are still missing, and a couple that I couldn't wrestle up right now. But for the most part, these are all my Zippos. So let's go ahead and get started and see what we have. This one here is my police department, New York City. This was in recognition to all the police officers and law enforcement and all that for 911, the trade centers. When the trade centers got hit, I bought this for the when the trade centers got hit. So you could see that there. So that's that one there. This next one up is my Harley Davidson. This is a Harley. You could see Harley Davidson. So that's that one there. We're going to keep moving right along, guys. This is a recent acquisition. I love this lighter. Check that out. The saloon with the skull. Really cool piece. That's that one there. This one here is my Zippo Slim brass. It's a really cool piece. Love to carry this one. Like I said, it's real nice and slim and takes a patina. I just cleaned this one up not that long ago because it had such a patina on it. I cleaned it up a little bit. I used to be a pretty big Zippo collector, guys. Used to at one time. This is the Rolling Thunder tires. I love this one. This is a pretty cool piece. Rolling Thunder tires. I like the graphics on it. The graphics are super cool. So that's that. This one here is another Harley. You probably can't see that in there. The script, the Harley script, it's leather. This is leather here. It's leather. Pretty cool piece. This one here is the tiger's face. Really like this one a lot. I love that tiger's face. It's like right up on you. Check that out. It's really, really a beautiful piece. That's that. This, I don't know what they call this. I just liked it. I thought it was really nice, elegant, nice piece to add to the collection. And I thought it was cool. It's probably on the back right here. Yeah, it's called the Deep V. That's what it's called, the Deep V. Cool piece. Got this here. Check that out. Really, really digging on this one. Really like this one. Had to have this one. This was an expensive piece. What do they call this one here? They call this one the Bono 2. Bono 2, whatever that means, but that's what it's called. Really cool piece. I think it's interesting. Had to have that. Had to have that one. This one here, this is a cool one. Just a fun little piece. I thought it was interesting to pick up for the collection. Let's see what this one's called. This one is called the Native Dancer. This is the Native Dancer. Pretty cool piece. Got that there. This one's beautiful. This is nice. Forget what this one's called. This one's called the Venetian Stripe. Couldn't read around that. This is the Venetian Stripe. It's pretty cool. I like that. This one is this solid. What is this? The Zippo Ace. This is the Zippo Ace. It's pretty cool. Box falling apart on that one. This is the Vietnam wall. This is the Vietnam wall. Had to have that. Means special. You know, it's just special, you know what I mean, to have something like this in the collection. It's all the people that sacrificed their lives. It's all the people that sacrificed their lives. So that's that one there. This one here. This is a Zippo Slim in, what's this red? Apple. This is Slim Candy Apple. Candy Apple. But look how look how vibrant that piece is, right? Super cool. This one here is the Zippo, what do they call this? The Zippo American, can't read that, clasps? American class or something like that. But that's nice. That's a nice one. This was an expensive one as well. Crown stamped on the top. That all means stuff. Here's another Harley. Another Harley Davidson one. That's a pretty cool one. Let's see what this one is. Oh, this is the bird and dog scene. That's a pretty cool piece. I like that one a lot. These dogs getting ready to get the bird. This one here is shooting pool. The pool players. You could see the guy with the stick here, and he's getting ready to break. Got the scene in the back there. Really cool. It's really, really detailed piece. Super detailed piece. This one here, solid copper brass, hand finished. This was another expensive one. But yeah, that's about it, guys. I think I showed them all. That's it. That's all my zippos to date. So yeah, man, give Boston Blade Reviews a shout, man. Get over there and show your zippos. We're all these guys that like these zippos. Come on, guys, show your zippos. I want to see your zippos as well. Anyway, you guys be good, be well, be safe. Drop me a comment. Let me know what you think. If not, I understand that as well. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Be safe.